Have you ever wondered how some people seem to build wealth effortlessly over time? It's not magic, and it's not just for the super rich. It's the power of investing, and today, we're going to unlock its secrets together. Welcome to your first step towards financial freedom. So, what exactly happens when you buy a stock? It's simpler than you think. You're not just buying a digital blip on a screen. You're buying a tiny piece of a real company. A share in their success, their growth, and their future profits. Think of Apple, Amazon, or your favorite local coffee shop. When they do well, you, as a part owner, do well too. The real power isn't in buying and selling every day. It's in holding on, in becoming a long-term partner with the great companies you believe in. Slight shift in music, becoming more focused. Now let's talk about the single most powerful force in finance: compounding. Albert Einstein supposedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Here's why. Imagine you invest $100 and earn a 10% return. You now have $110. Simple enough? But next year, you do and just earn 10% on your original dollar. 100. You earn it on the full $110. Your earnings start earning their own earnings. It's like a small snowball at the top of a very long hill. At first, it barely grows. But as it rolls, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and faster, until it becomes an unstoppable avalanche of wealth. That's your money working for you 24/7. Let's look at a concrete example. Music becomes more epic and historical, but does this actually work in the real world? Let's look at the evidence. The stock market is not a straight line up. It has ups and downs. We've seen crashes, recessions, and periods of panic. The dot-com bubble, the 2008 financial crisis, the 2020 pandemic drop. Each time, headlines screamed that the sky was falling. But take a step back. Look at the S&P 500, a collection of 500 of America's largest companies over the last 50 years. Despite every single crisis, the overall trend is powerfully, undeniably, up. Every single downturn has been followed by a recovery and a new all-time high. History shows us that betting on human innovation, growth, and resilience has always been a winning bet. The key isn't avoiding the storms. It's having the faith to stay in the boat. This brings us to the biggest hurdle for most investors. Not the market, but their own mind. Investing is a psychological game. When the market drops, our instincts scream, sell, get out before you lose everything. That's fear talking. When a stock is soaring, our other instinct, greed, screams, buy more, don't miss out. This is trying to time the market, and it's a losing game. The most successful investors aren't the ones who can predict the future. They are the ones who control their emotions. They practice patience. They understand that volatility is the price of admission for long-term returns. While the fearful investor is selling at the bottom and the greedy investor is buying at the top, the patient investor simply sticks to their plan, calmly weathering the storm, knowing that time is on their side. Remember this phrase: time asterisk and asterisk, the market beats asterisk timing asterisk the market. Music softens, becomes more narrative and personal. Let's make this real. Meet Sarah. Fresh out of college at 25, she didn't have much money, but she had a plan. She started investing just $200 every single month into a simple index fund that tracks the market. Some years the market boomed and her account grew quickly. Other years it fell, and it was tempting to stop. Her friends were buying new cars and going on lavish vacations, but Sarah stayed disciplined. She automated her investments and focused on her long-term goal. She got promotions, increased her contributions to $500 a month, and just kept going. Now let's fast forward 35 years. Sarah is 60. That simple, consistent habit has grown into a portfolio worth over $1 million. She didn't pick a miracle stock. She didn't get lucky. She simply leveraged the two most powerful tools available to any of us: consistency and time. Sarah's story isn't a fantasy. It's a mathematical reality that is available to anyone who starts. So let's recap the golden rules to building long-term wealth. First, start now. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. The sooner your money starts compounding, the more powerful it becomes. Second, be consistent. Automate your investments, even if it's a small amount. It's the habit that matters more than the amount, especially at the beginning. And third, stay invested. Tune out the daily noise, ignore the panic, and trust in the long-term growth of the global economy. Your future self will thank you for the patience you show today. Music swells, becoming uplifting and motivational. The journey to financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about planting seeds today so you can enjoy the shade of the tree for decades to come. It's about giving yourself the freedom to live life on your own terms. You have the knowledge, you have the tools, and most importantly, you have time on your side. So take that first step. Invest early, invest consistently, and stay invested. Your financial future is waiting. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful and inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content to help you on your financial journey. We'll see you in the next video.